Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. Sparkle & Co recently contacted me and asked if I would like to review their monthly subscription dip system. I've never used a dip system before. As you may know, I'm allergic to acrylic, but I wanted to give it a try anyway. They have very kindly also given me a discount code for you to use as well. All information can be found in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and please make sure you have the bell notification on, and please also like this video. These things really do help out my channel. Thank you. So this beautiful pink box arrived really quickly. I have removed my details. I have cut the box open, but that's it. So inside the lid we have Sparkle & Co along with their Instagram page and Facebook. I've linked these in the description box as well. So it comes really nicely packaged, and inside is this gorgeous green beach bag. It is so cute. So inside we also have some information. This large sheet is their full instructions, which is very helpful as I've never used a dip system before, and I will be following these very closely. And then I also have the discount code. This can be used on their website, but if I remember rightly, not on their subscription box themselves. And this is for 15% off, which is amazing. So this is the bag. It is quite a big bag. It's going to be great for beach wear or anything like that. I just think it's so cute. I absolutely love it. And we also have this Flamingo keyring as well, which is adorable. He will be going on my keys. Then inside, which looks like it's an insulated bag, very cool. We also have two little bags full of goodies. Now the black bag, this isn't normally included, only one dip liquid is sent per month, but they are also available to purchase on their website. So let's look inside these bags. So as you can see, everything is well packaged and secure, which is brilliant as this has come quite a far. So once I finally opened the first one, this is their Glossy Coat. Love the look of these bottles. They're very sleek, very fancy. These would look amazing to be displayed out and about. Then the second bottle is the Base Bond. These bottles are 15 mils, so they are a really nice size and they're going to last quite a while, I would think. Onto the green bag. So we have what's inside the July 2019 subscription, along with a monthly tip. Now I really wished I'd have paid a little bit more notice of this, because this probably might have helped me using one of the dip powders. We also have a super cute sticker. I need to find somewhere to stick that. I love the little extras that Sparkle & Co have gone to. I mean, the little glittery flamingo, a deck chair. All of these just make this subscription box even more special. Then the next bottle is the Solidify. I'm really excited to try the dip system. Using a dip system is something that I've had my eye on for quite a while. And then the last package, we have the 3 pop stick swatches. I love this. It is super helpful. So we have 3 very beautiful colours. So the first colour, 64, Baby Flamingo, and this is a baby pink with a tiny hint of coral, and it also has a iridescent glitter running through it. It is such a delicate, pretty colour. Next we have 63, Let's Flamingo, and this is a bright, almost neon pink. This doesn't have any sparkle or any shimmer to it, but this is a fantastic colour for summer manis. And then we have 62, Let's Take a Dip, and this is a super sparkly green teal type colour. I would say that this is a multi-cut glitter within the acrylic itself, but it is super pretty and I'm really excited. So I also wanted to see if there was any nasty smells to the liquids. The Base Bond, that just smells like nail glue, and it is not a nasty smell at all. The Solidify, that sort of reminds me of a mix of nail glue and acetone. It's quite a funny combination, but again, it's not a nasty smell. I am super sensitive to smells. And then the Glossy Coat smells, to be honest, just like regular top coat. Again, no nasty smells. which for somebody like me is brilliant. So before I start, I do want to put in a small disclaimer here that I, one, have never used a dip system, so this is all very new to me and I did make mistakes. But also I was battling the weather. It was super hot, so I didn't have a very good application, but you are seeing the first time on camera. So I'm going to do my first try on pop sticks, just so that if I do make mistakes, which I obviously did, it's not on my nails for the first time. I have also slightly buffed the pop sticks as well. This isn't something that I normally do, but I felt that it might help the base bond stick a little better. So the first swatch is going to be of 64 Baby Flamingo. Now, before doing any nail application, full prep needs to be done first. I do have one here on my channel. I also have my dusting brush on hand as well. So on the steps, I'm going in at step 7, applying a thin coat of the base bond to the nail. Once I've applied that, I will then put the pop stick into Baby Flamingo dipping powder, and once I pull it out, I will tap off the excess. Now you will see that it didn't completely cover the whole of the nail. The steps does say to wait a few seconds before dusting off the excess, which on the second dip I didn't follow, as you will see. So I did go in with a third layer just to cover my mistakes, but 2 layers was a good coverage of the colour. Now it is a little roughed up on the bottom, but I can file and smooth that. Filing can make a whole world of difference. On to step 9, and I'm going to add a generous layer of the Solidify, and this is going to really lock that acrylic into place. And then I'm going to leave that to dry for a few minutes whilst I do the other 2. So whilst you watch me do the other 2 and make no end of mistakes, I'll talk a little bit about the company and the bits of information that you might find helpful. Now, they are based in the USA, but they do ship worldwide. Obviously, shipping charges will be applied as well. Anyone can purchase from them. They do all sorts of nail essentials to gel polishes and much more. This dip system subscription box starts from $30, which personally I think is really good value for money. I've used subscription boxes before, nail polishes and gel polishes, and paid about the same price in UK money. I always look for quality and quantity, and with Sparkle & Co I feel that you get just that, if not more, with all the little extra bits added in, which I really do appreciate. It means the company's going above and beyond. When you make an account with Sparkle & Co with your first order, you will receive a credit back onto your account, which I think is fantastic. Using my discount code, as I said, will give you 15% off, except this subscription boxes, I believe. I will, however, double check that in my emails. For me, I've watched quite a few YouTube videos with people using dip powders. They seemed really easy. My biggest issue was the weather. It was drying the base bond too quickly, and obviously I was working a lot slower. If you have any pointers on using the dip powders, let me know, because I've really enjoyed using this dip powder system, and if I can do it, then really anyone can. It is going to take me time to really get to grips with it. It's learning a whole new system, which is going to take me time, but I'm really looking forward to expanding my knowledge with the dip system. So now they are all finished. Off camera I filed the pink. I wanted to see how it filed, and it files really easy with a hand file. That lump that I had has gone, and it went really quickly as well, and the pop stick is nice and smooth and ready for the glossy coat. So I'll just file the other 2 pop sticks. Now, one thing I will say is have a clear dip powder. Because these have glitter in them, I would prefer to have capped them in clear, then filed, just to protect that glitter from the file. This is just a personal choice, and one that I will be doing. I will be getting a clear dip powder, because covering that green glitter, I didn't want that file to hit into that green glitter and turn it a different colour. Just wanted to keep it as it was, but files beautifully. Really, really nice. After filing, I've gone on to step 12 and I'm going to add another layer of the Solidify and leave them to dry for a few minutes. Once they have dried, we will then use the Glossy Coat to finish them off with. Now with the top coat it says to use 2 coats, and this is because the first coat just sinks straight into that acrylic, and it does dry really quite quickly as well and leaves them really very glossy looking. But 3 beautiful colours, perfect for summer manis. I will be practicing a lot more using the Sparkle & Co dip system over the next few months and beyond to really see if I can make them any better. But I'm really impressed how well I got on using them. Now the green glitter is quite bumpy, so I definitely need to purchase that clear dip powder. That will make that look a lot better. So these are now finished and looking beautiful. So I wanted to add them to my nails as well to see if I would have any sort of reactions to the acrylic, but I did them off camera as this was only the second time of using the Sparkle & Co dip system. So the light pink nails are just 2 dips and the bright pink nails are 3 dips. Now I didn't use the green, but I will in the future. I also didn't do my thumb either as it wouldn't fit into the pot. So I need to try a different way for my thumb. But I will say they were really easy to do, and for the second attempt application of the dip powders, I don't think they are too bad. I will say there is definitely room for improvement, and that will come over the next few months. And I did take instructions from the instruction leaflet of doing 1 finger at a time. I did find for a newbie like me to the dip system that it was extremely helpful, but it worked really, really well. Super impressed. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the mani on my nails as well. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my post and you like them, please give them a like as well. I'd be really grateful. Thank you for viewing my review on the Sparkle & Co dip system monthly subscription box. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, thanks for watching and bye.